What?
So there were these, there was a mama tomato, a papa tomato, and a baby tomato, and they were walking. And while they were walking, the baby tomato kept getting behind. And, you know, the papa tomato kept going back and saying, come on, come on. Finally, the papa tomato got so upset, he went back, stomped on the baby tomato, and said, catch up.